What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today we got a new project on the Solana blockchain called the DOGMONAUTS, and there's a lot going on for this project, guys. So before we jump into it, I'll show you some of the things that they have in store for the future. So they're going to be launching their Genesis Mint, first generation mint 10k Genesis Dogmonauts. They're going to have the DA babies, they're going to have the Moon Club launch, they're going to have the A compatible files for using phone, they're going to have the cross NFT breeding that I actually haven't seen that much in Solana or in Cardano even. So that's actually something new they're going to be introducing, which I'm going to be talking about more in detail soon. They're going to have their cross Dogmonaut plus other collections. They're going to have the 1k rescue dog airdrops. They're going to have basically saving real life dogs. They're going to have their Dogmonaut merch. They're going to have their Metaverse integration that's going to happen in the future. They're going to have their Genesis alien pets and much more. So before that, let's jump in right into the website and see what the project is all about. Okay guys, so jumping right into the website, the first thing we can see obviously is some of the cool NFTs right here. The website actually is very nice. It's very well put together and the art looks really nice. So regarding the actual website itself, I think it's very clean. The art itself is really cool. They have this kind of dogs in spacesuits with different attributes, of course. I think they're really cool. So basically, directly influence in the next generation of NFTs by using the Moon Club to breed your favorite Dogmonauts, which NFTs from other collections that you own. So basically, depending which one you get, you'll be able to breed them with different collections. But I'll explain that more in detail. So you can join the whitelist right here. So if you click right here, so it says welcome to the Moon Club. So you can either register with Discord or Twitter. So if you press right here on Discord, it'll direct you right to their Discord. So all you have to do is just press authorize. So it says join the whitelist for upcoming Genesis Mint. So our Genesis Mint NFT will be able to breed with other Solana NFT collections. What collections would you like to support? And you can actually write down whichever collection you actually have or would like to breed with. Then you can say, would you like to be interested in real world Dogmount events? So you can just press yes. If so, what city? And if our mint price is 2 Solana, 0.2 Solana, how many NFTs would you like to mint? So you can press everything and then basically you press join. So pretty simple, very straightforward. So make sure you do that if you wanna enter the whitelist. Now, if we scroll down to the roadmap, elevation requires separation. Elevate your NFT portfolio with Dogmonauts, leading your next adventure. We have a little character right here, looks pretty cool. And if you actually right click here and open this file, this is the first generation mint, which is going to be 10,000. This is the Genesis one. So Dogmonaut Genesis is the original Dogmonaut collection. They're early explorers on which all future generations will come from. When breed, their traits will pass down at random to their offspring. So you can actually see some of the Genesis here. They're not shown yet, obviously, but you have all the attributes here. You have the spacesuit, the fur, the pack, eyes, teeth, ears, helmet, and liner. So I think it's pretty well done. Looks very clean. So I guess they get revealed after you actually mint them. So that's pretty cool, I think. So of course they have their Moon Club launch, expanded benefits based on your NFT holdings, and you can actually see their AR compatible files when you're using your phone. And they actually have a link here on Twitter that shows what exactly that looks like. So if you play that, he's going to the side and you can actually see the NFT right there, which I think is pretty cool. It looks really cool, very smooth. Next one, we're gonna be talking about the cross NFT breeding. I think this is the most important one. I think this is the one that's gonna make people wanting to actually get the NFTs the most, personally, anyway, for myself. So what exactly is a cross NFT breeding? So first, you breed your Genesis Generation Dogmonaut with NFTs that you own from other collections. The traits are basically randomized for a unique second generation Dogmonaut. This can be a Dogmonaut plus a non-3D NFT, and it will still be rendered in 3D. So that's actually pretty cool. Now they actually have a list of the top 3 projects requested for cross collection breeding. And I guess this is picked by the community or maybe done by the developers, who knows. But they have Rogue Sharks. That's a very famous project, so that's actually pretty cool. They currently have those guys like 55k. That's huge. So that's gonna be really cool if you'll be able to crossbreed with different projects like this tree right here. That's gonna be really cool. Now, if we right click on the cross Dogmonaut plus other collections, we can actually open that right there. And it says NFT crossbreeding. Breed Dogmonauts with your own NFTs. Basically, the Moon Club detects which NFTs are in your Solana wallet. Start with a Dogmonaut in your wallet and support it third-party NFT or algorithm creates a representative DNA structure of both NFTs and randomized traits for both to create a second generation Dogmonaut NFT with inherited traits. This is the first cross NFT generator that we know of. So that's pretty cool. It's basically like they're keeping track of everything that you own. So, and everything is done automatically, which is pretty cool. Actually, I haven't seen this before. Also, if you want to your Dogmonaut to support your NFT collection, all you have to do is just contact them on their Discord and they'll help you with that. You can actually see here the Generation 1. Select your NFT to crossbreed. Obviously, you have two examples right here of two different NFTs. We have their attributes as usual, the handliner, team, suit, mouth, eyes, which I showed earlier on. Then you have the Generation 2, your crossbreed NFT. Obviously, everything is just kind of showing up right here. It's not exactly finished, but we have the type zombie, ears black, teeth normal, suit fabric, team eyes. So really cool stuff, guys. Really cool stuff. This is actually pretty cool for people that love dogs. They're gonna have a 1K rescue dog airdrop. So basically NFTs with the faces of real dogs that has a community we have saved with the airdrop at random to Genesis holders. So I think this is gonna be very cool for people that really love dogs. And if we go right here, saving 1,000 dogs, sponsor adoptions. Dogmonauts Nation loves dogs, so we're going to save 1,000 by sponsoring adoption fees. Each dog rescue will be represented in its own NFT. These NFTs will be distributed at random to Genesis NFT holders. And actually, you can see some of these a little rescue dog from San Francisco right here. So that's actually pretty cool. Instead of owning just like an actual NFT 3D dog, you could say, they actually show the real picture. So that's actually pretty cool. Now, these are some of the things that are going to happen in the future. The Dogmonaut merch or merch store for both the human plus real world dogs with merch based on the Dogmonaut NFT that you hold. They're going to have their Metaverse integration, which will enable two-way integration with popular platforms, enabling our NFTs to be programmatically imported into the Metaverse platforms, as well as developers API access to NFT holders assets with the Moon Club. So I wonder where this is actually pretty interesting. I'm excited to see what they're going to do with this in the future, integrating the Metaverse, and how is that going to work with different projects in the future. So that's actually pretty cool. Now next, they have their Genesis alien pets, the first of several drops that will enable additional breeding. A portion of the alien pets release will be airdropped at random to Genesis holders, and they're gonna have more airdrops and features coming in the future, guys. Next is the Genesis Moon Plots, which is basically land, guys. A future enhancement to our ecosystem will be plots of land. The land will be able to be sold, developed, and will also be available in our breeding system for combinations of other NFT collections that are made up of buildings and rooms. They also have their developer API. We're planning on opening on our platforms to developers that also want to offer our NFT holder additional functionality in their apps. We want to be consider a node in the Metaverse, Omniverse, that developers can use as a platform for their apps and games. Imagine a Dogmonaut racing game that uses Moon Club assets but is built by different developers. So yeah, that's basically what's happening now with different games, where they're combining, basically creating a game and they're combining different collections, and you can actually play with your own NFT. So this is actually going to be really cool. So right here we have their team: Paul, Richard, Scoberto, and Ice NFT. So they're not fully doxed yet, but we'll see what happens in the future. So if you jump down to the frequently asked questions, working about the Dogmonauts will be likely be listed on Solana art and digital eyes after our mint is complete. Like I mentioned before, there will be 10,000 Genesis NFTs, 1,000 rescue dogs, and more to come. What are the perks of the membership? Access to the members only airdrop, merch, and real life dog friendly parties and events. So what are the perks of the membership? You'll be able to get access to airdrops, merch, and also real life dog friendly parties and events. So they're giving a lot of value for these NFTs. So if you want to get involved, guys, and also help the community, just all you have to do is just message them on Discord. There's the link to the Discord right here. You can join right there. And if we jump into their Twitter right here, they currently have 4,724 followers, which is still pretty early, guys, and I think that's definitely going to grow in the future. So they also have their TikTok, guys, and Instagram. So if we open their TikTok, you can see they post very often, and you can actually see some of the NFTs showing on their phone, which what I showed you earlier on. So that's actually really cool. I really like this idea. That definitely new. And right here again, this actually shows how they were made as well. So that's also really cool. So it's definitely legit. Now, do I think the project has potential? Absolutely. I think it's a really cool project. They have a lot going on for them. If they deliver everything they said, I think it's going to be absolutely huge. But like I said, guys, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you jump into anything. I will leave the links down below on the description for both their Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Discord, and their link to their website. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.